It's told in the problem that there are 3 points forming the vertices of the triangle. Now, which of the following is true? If you look at the options, every option is about the direction cosine, right? Every option is about the direction cosine. So, x1, y1, z1, all right. This is x2, y2, z2, all right. And what is this? This is nothing but x3, y3, z3. How do you calculate? How do you calculate for AB now? Let's calculate for AB. How do you calculate the direction cosines? Direction cosines of AB. Direction cosines of AB. How do you calculate? You calculate this as x2 minus x1 divided by AB, comma, y2 minus y1 divided by AB, comma, z2 minus z1 divided by AB, correct? Yes. So, you can see that in the option D there is something called all of these also, right? So, we will concentrate, we will not stop if one side is correct. So, can you tell me x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 will be, what is this answer that we get? X2 minus x1 will be minus 1 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 will be minus 4 divided by, what will be the value of AB? AB will be equal to, use the distance formula. So, this is nothing but minus 1 minus 3 the whole square, 1 minus 5 the whole square, plus 36. So, what is this answer that we get? 32 plus 36, that is equal to, what is it? Root of 68, correct? Root of 68, minus 4 by root 68, then y2 minus y1, minus 6 divided by root 68, and then z2 minus z1, 6 divided by root of 68, correct? If you can look at the options here, so 68 can be written as what? 68 can be written as a root of 17 into 4, right? Which is nothing but 2 root 17, correct or not? 2 root 17. So, I can write minus 2 divided by root 17, comma, minus 3 divided by root 17, comma, plus 3 divided by root 17, plus 3 divided by root 17. Is it matching? Yeah, it is matching, right? With the option, first option is matching. But because there is an option called all of these, what I will do? I will calculate the second part. Only I will calculate direction ratios of BC. Okay, or direction cosines of BC, direction cosines of BC, how do you calculate this? This is nothing but x3 minus x2 divided by BC, y3 minus y2 divided by BC, and what is it? z3 minus z2 divided by what is it? BC, correct? So, x3 minus 5 plus 1, comma, minus 5 minus 1, and then minus 2, correct or not? Divided by BC. What is the value of BC? BC, that is equal to square root of, BC is equal to square root of BC, okay. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4, the whole square is 16, minus 5, 36, and then minus 2, minus 4, this is nothing but 16. So, again root of how much? 16, 32, root of 68, which is nothing but 2 root 17, right? 2 root 17. So, this is 2 root 17 here, this is 2 root 17 here, and this is 2 root 17. So, your answer will be here minus 2 divided by root 17, and then minus 3 divided by root 17, and minus 2 divided by root 17. You match the option BC, direction cosines of BC, it is matching, right? So, you can see that this is C option. I have not solved for B. So, by default, what is the answer to the question? By default, the answer to the question will become all of these, because 2 answers I am getting correct. No need of solving for the third one, directly mark the answer as D. This is the answer.